Welcome to clickmyproject.com.
Now we are going to discuss about the product Cascaded Static and Dynamic Local Feature Extractions for Face Sketch to Photo Matching. Now we are going to discuss about the abstract for the process. In this process we attempt to address the identification of the photo from the face sketch effect of this influences by the method of cascaded by the two methods called static and dynamic local feature extraction method, so that the constructed feature vectors are built based on the correct patches. In addition with that method, we introduce the concentration of the feature vector from the local static extractions on the sketch and photo are matched using the nearest neighbor methods. After getting the features from the image, most similar photos are shortlisted based on the nearest neighbor classification. These photos are eventually rematched using the feature vector from the local dynamic method. Then finally the feature vectors are matched using the nearest neighbor by the feature of local and dynamic extraction. Now we are going to discuss about the flow diagram for the process. This is the overall flow structure for the process. At first, the input images are taken from the dataset. We have the two kinds of images. One is the normal RGB image, and then the another one is the photo sketch image. After getting the one image from the dataset, the input image is undergone for the phase alignment process. In this phase alignment, first of all, the image is reconstructed the quality by means of the dog filtering (DOG). After the phase alignment, the feature extraction will be carried out by means of the static local feature extraction method and then the dynamic local feature extraction method. After extracting these features, the cascaded feature extraction will be done. Before that, I am going to explain about the DOGOGH method and then the CNN method. These are the two types of the feature extraction which is incorporated with the static local feature extraction and then the dynamic local feature extraction method. After that, extracting these features only, the cascaded features will be applied. In this cascaded feature extraction, those two features will be combined together and form the test feature. After the cascaded feature, the similarity measures will be measured by means of the nearest neighbor classifier. After applying the classification, based on the classification, if the photo sketch is matched with the RGB image, means it will be retrieved and then the display. Finally, the performance will be evaluated by means of the accuracy, sensitivity and specificity. By these three parameters, we can justify whether the process is efficient or not. Now we are going to discuss about the initial running procedure for the process. At first, open the MATLAB 2015B and change the current directory. If you want to execute the file, just right click in the main_GUI.m and select the option run. Now the initial GUI was open. In that GUI you can see the several push buttons in the right side for the controlling actions and then the several axes in the left side for the display purpose. First of all, click the button input image. After clicking the input image button, you have to select any one image from the dataset. After the selection of the image from the dataset, the corresponding image will be shown in the axis 1 with the title input image. After getting the input image, we have to align the face align by using the button face alignment button. Now the dark filtering is applied and then the enhanced image is shown in the axis 2 with the title dark filtering. After applying the face alignment, the feature extraction will be carried out. First of all, click the button feature extraction. After clicking the button feature extraction, the process will be done and then the corresponding feature value is shown in the table 1 and table 2. Now the table 1 represents the features of the static local features and then the table 2 represents the feature value of the dynamic local features. After extracting the feature values, we have to cascade those features. In this cascaded process, those two features will be combined together and then form the test feature results. After cascading those two results, the similarity measures will be measuring, and then the corresponding result will be shown in this text box. Now the matching result is identified with the person 6 in the dataset. Now the person 6 is displayed in the axis 4 with the title matched image. After the matching result, we have to analyze the performance by means of the three parameters called accuracy, sensitivity and specificity. Now the accuracy, sensitivity and specificity values are displayed in these tabulations in terms of the percentage, as well as those values are plotted as the graph format.
Thanks for watching this video.